Students, welcome to the session. Today's topic for the session is pairs of angles from your chapter lines and angles. So we will discuss some of the pairs of angles which we will get when our lines are intersecting, when lines are not intersecting. Okay, so we will discuss about some pairs of angles. So first is your adjacent angle. Adjacent angles. What are adjacent angles? So in pair, by the word pair we are getting the idea that there will be always two angles. Okay, so adjacent means having common vertex and common arm, one common arm. Having common vertex and one common arm. So adjacent angle means having common vertex and one common arm. Having common vertex and one common arm. So that means this is your one vertex. Okay, having common vertex and one common arm. If I draw a line like this, so these two angles, if I say this is my A, O, this is your B, this is your C. So angle AOB and angle BOC, they are adjacent angles. They are adjacent angles. They are common vertex and one common arm. So in these two pairs are adjacent angles. We will call your adjacent angles. Second case is your linear pair. What are linear pair angles? Pair of adjacent angles sum is 180 degree. Pair of adjacent angles sum is 180 degree. The sum of both the adjacent angles are 180 degree. Pair of adjacent angles sum equals to 180 degree. Clear? So that means this is like this. These both the angles are adjacent to each other since they have common vertex and common arm. If I say this is A, O, B, this is your D. So here both angles are here adjacent to each other. So angle AOD plus angle BOD, they are 180 degree. So sum of both the adjacent angles is your linear pair angles. Okay. Next is your vertically opposite angles. We call it VOA or vertically opposite angle. So in vertically opposite angle, it will be like this. Two lines will be intersecting. This is your A, this is your B, this is your C, this is your D. So vertically opposite in vertically opposite angles, this will be vertically opposite to this, and this will be vertically opposite to this. So these two angles vertically opposite, they are equal. So this is, I say the intersecting point is O, so this will be equal. So angle AOD will be equal to angle BOC. Similarly, angle BOD will be angle COA. Okay, so they are vertically opposite angles. When will they occur? When the lines are intersecting with each other. Now the next pair of angles is the corresponding angles. So corresponding angles means, see, this is my parallel lines, a line intersecting this. So one pair of interior and exterior. they will be corresponding. Similarly, exterior, interior, they will be corresponding to each other. This will be corresponding to each other, this, okay, and this will be corresponding to this one. Pair of exterior and interior angles. Okay, so this is like pair of exterior and interior angles formed when a transversal intersects two lines. When a transversal intersects two lines, so that both the angles are on the same side. See, all the angles for corresponding angles, they should be on the same side. Same side is required, same side. So that both the angles are on the same side of the transversal and they are not forming linear pair. Okay, so they should not form the linear pair. Okay, not forming linear pair. Okay, this is the case of a corresponding angles. Now let's see another. Tell alternate angles, pair of alternate angles. Two lines are parallel intersecting. Alternate means they are on the either of the side. Okay, they are on the either of the side. This is your alternate interior case, and this will be your alternate exterior case, like this. Okay, this will be equal to, if this side you want to take, this side will be take equal to this, and if this want to take, this side will be equal. So these are the alternate interior and alternate exterior case. They are on the opposite side of the transversal, forming angles on the opposite side of the transverse. Okay, interior, exterior, and opposite side of the transverse. So one is this side, then other has to be this side. Similarly, like this, on the either of the opposite sides. So next definition is your supplementary angles. Supplementary angle, sum of means sum of two angles should be 180 degree. That means if your angle A plus angle B should be a 180 degree, then they are called supplementary angles. Okay, there's sum should be 180 degree. And the last is your complementary angles. Sum of two angles should be the sum of two angles should be 90 degree. That means angle A plus angle B is 90 degree. See, for 180 degree, it will be like this. Sum of two angles is 180 degree, and for supplementary, it will be like this. If there is two angles, then their sum will be 90. The addition of these two angles should be 90 degree, and for supplementary, the addition should be 180 degree. Okay, so I hope you understood the topic. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through my Urban Pro profile. Till then, revise and let's meet in the next session. Thank you.